Are you really getting the return on investment from your digital marketing, or is money just leaking out, leaving you wondering? What's up, everybody? It's Cameron Heisman here from Campaigns You Love. And as someone who's been in the digital trenches of digital marketing for over a decade now, I've seen the pitfalls and the peaks. Let's talk about 3 game-changing strategies that you're probably overlooking. Now, I know the pros in the industry might nod along thinking these are just basics, but you've got to hear me out because most business owners are so laser focused on their operations, they often forget about the engines that drive their online success. So if you're neglecting these, you're leaving serious money on the table.
Show me the money.
Now, before we jump in, let's get one thing straight. Your website isn't just a digital business card. It's your online cash machine. If it's not spitting out leads, then something is broken. And if your main lead source dries up, well, where does that leave you? A killer website isn't just about aesthetics, it's your trust badge online. You've probably already guessed it, but my first tip is to supercharge your website. You need to ensure it's a lead magnet and not just a digital pamphlet. It should echo your brand's excellence. Now, my second tip is to actively hunt for reviews. They're the digital age's word of mouth. Don't just wait around asking for them. Use tools like Google My Business and streamline the process with SMS platforms that make you look professional. And you can also set up email campaigns using tools like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. If you pair that with a tool like Zapier in your CRM, it can be a real game changer.
They keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
So my final tip today is to lock in a foolproof tracking system. I get stunned by how many business owners don't have a simple "how did you hear about us" on their booking forms or their contact us page. Yes, you can use systems like Calendly or Acuity, but it's not just about the data, it's about understanding where your gold mines are. So to have that one simple question, it'll give you a lot of answers. Now, to sum everything up, it's not about being online, it's about also being visible, creditable, and of course, profitable. If your lead flow is dwindling, it might be time for a website revamp. Winning online boils down to a killer website, relentless review collection, and ruthless lead tracking. If you nail these, you're on your way to dominating the digital arena. In conclusion, a robust digital presence hinges on a good website, gathering reviews, and effectively tracking leads. So if you focus on these, you'll undoubtedly improve your digital marketing game. So thank you for tuning in, and just remember, digital success is just a few steps away. So keep following me for more digital marketing tips for business owners. I'll talk to you soon.